Alright, this is Josh's body book. Who gave this book to you, Josh?
Grandma Seeger.
Grandma Seeger. We're going to show how much you've learned. So, your body's made up of lots of things called what?
Cells.
Cells. And the cells are so small, what do you have to use to see them?
A microscope, like that.
Yeah, what kind of cell is this?
Nerve ones.
A nerve cell? What are these cells here?
Blood ones.
Blood cells. How come this blood cell is blue?
Because the blood takes the oxygen from it.
Because it doesn't have its oxygen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Let's talk about what happens when you eat food. Where does the food go?
In your mouth.
Uh-huh.
And down your esophagus.
Yeah.
Into your stomach.
Uh-huh.
And
And what's in the stomach?
stomach acid to break the food down.
Stomach acid to break the food down. Uh-huh. Then after the stomach, where does the food go into?
The large intestine.
The what?
The small intestine.
Yeah, the small intestine. And what's in the small intestine? What are these bumps in the small intestine called?
Villi.
Villi. Yeah, and what happens in the villi? What is there?
Blood.
Blood. Where did so the food, the nutrients go pass through the villi into the blood, and where do they go from there?
To the liver.
To the liver. Yeah.
Hey, what's this?
What's that?
Mm-hmm.
That's part of the small intestine. This part's the duodenum right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so after the food goes
Duodenum,
through the small
duodenum.
intestine, where does it go to?
The large intestine.
Yeah, do you remember some of the parts of the large intestine? What's that?
Cecum.
The cecum? What's this little thing right there?
The appendix.
The appendix? Yeah, can you point to the appendix? Yeah. Good job. Where's that? Can you point to the ascending colon? Can you point to the ascending colon? Do you remember on your book where the ascending colon is?
Ascending colon is right there.
No, that's the descending colon.
This one?
That's the transverse colon.
This one?
That's the ascending colon. Where's the rectum? Yeah. Okay. Should we talk about your lungs?
Breathing? It's breathing.
Okay. What's this right here?
Trachea.
Trachea. Good job. And what are the rings around the trachea made out of?
Cartilage.
Cartilage? Good. What are some other parts of your body that have cartilage?
I do this.
Yeah, what are other parts of your body that have cartilage? Do you remember?
Your ears.
Your ears? What else? What is that?
You know.
Uh-huh. What else has cartilage? You're gonna show us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bones.
On the ends of the bones?
Mm-hmm.
At the joints?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Okay. So let's talk about what are these big airways in the lungs called?
Bronchi.
Yeah, and what are these little branches called?
Bronchioles.
Bronchioles, good job. And the little sacs that are on the end of every bronchiole, what are they called?
Happy sac.
Starts with an A.
Alveoli.
Alveoli. And what happens in the alveoli?
The blood takes the oxygen.
Yeah, the oxygen goes from the air into the blood. Good job. What's this muscle down here?
What muscle?
This one.
Diaphragm.
The diaphragm. What does it do when you breathe?
It goes down.
It goes down when you breathe in. Yeah, and when you breathe out, it goes up. Okay. What's this? What are we looking at? Is it our cardiovascular system?
It's a system.
Yeah. So the blood goes.
Hey, her hose has veins.
Yeah. So this blood here doesn't have oxygen, so it's in these tubes called what?
Veins.
Veins. And where do the veins take the blood?
To the right side of the heart.
To the right side of the heart. Good job. And where does the right side of the heart pump the blood?
To where it can get oxygen in the lungs.
Good job. And good. So it gets oxygen from the lungs, and then where does it go?
To the left side.
To the left side of the heart. Yeah. And where does the left side of the heart pump the blood to? All around your body? Yeah, all around your body through what? What are these tubes called?
What are systems?
System is a collection or a group of things working together. So what are these tubes that the left side of your heart pumps the blood into? These red ones.
Around your body.
Yeah, what are they? What are these things?
Arteries.
Arteries, yeah. Good job. What's this thing, right here?
The spleen.
Yeah, what does the spleen do?
It does two things.
Well, okay, what are those two things? Do you remember what the two things the spleen does are? Yeah? What are the two things?
Cleaning red blood cells.
Yeah, it cleans out the old red blood cells. What's the other thing?
It holds white blood cells.
Yeah, it stores the white blood cells that will help fight germs. What happens if you get a cut, like in this picture?
The platelets come.
The platelets come? What do the platelets do?
They get an unplug so you won't stop bleeding.
They form a plug so you stop bleeding. Yeah.
What's this system?
This is the musculoskeletal system.
My chick never sings that.
Your chick has never seen that? Okay. Joshie, what are these bones in your wrist called?
Carpals.
Carpals? Good. What about your hand bones?
Metacarpals.
Metacarpals. What about your fingers?
Phalanges.
Good job. What are these bones in your arm? You have two bones in this part of your arm. Do you remember what they're called?
A system?
No, these two bones in your arm right here.
Two?
What are these bones called?
Is it two?
No. One's the radius and one's the ulna, remember?
That muscle's holding the bone.
Yeah, okay. Let's talk about this system here.
We didn't got that system.
You want to talk about what? Which one?
This.
The brain?
Yeah.
Okay. Your brain, there are different parts that do different things. Like help you balance and help you see. Okay. Let's talk about right here. What are the...
We didn't got this one.
Okay, these are your senses. Can you name some of your senses?
Tasting.
Tasting, good. What's another one?
Hearing.
Hearing, okay. What's another one? What are you doing?
Smelling.
Smelling, okay. What's another one?
Seeing.
Seeing, good. What's another one?
Touching.
Touching, good job. You named all the 5 senses. Okay, what's in this picture?
A My chick doesn't never see kidneys.
No?
Nope.
What's in this picture?
Kidney?
A kidney? Good. There's 2 kidneys. What do the kidneys do?
They clean the blood.
They clean the blood. And what's this down here?
Bladder.
What does the bladder do?
Holds the pee-pee.
Yeah, and what are these tubes? What are these 2 tubes? That connect the kidneys to the bladder. What are they? Starts with
And das.
What are they?
Ureters.
Your readers. Good job. Okay, good reading the body book, Joshy. We'll keep learning.
Bye-bye.